4 different lenses, a Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, octa-core processor with 6 gigs of RAM, on-screen fingerprint scanner, and so many other flagship features, begs the question, how is this any less than any other flagship phone? The Samsung A53 sells for half the price of most flagship phones. So, where is the balance here? That is what we shall be exploring on this video. Stay tuned. I have used this phone for work for a length of time, daily real-world mileage. So in this video we have the benefit of long-term use before I formed my opinion. Let me start with the unboxing. And right out of the box, let me tell you that there are no earphones nor a charger. Oh dear. So, to be clear, the box comes with the phone, a USB cable, and a SIM ejection pin. A bunch of papers to go with it. Looking around the phone, at the back we have the 4 lenses of the camera system, as mentioned earlier, along with a flashlight. The back cover is plastic with matte finish, though I won't say that this is a bad thing, as it is rather practical. Also, things like these helps lower the price of the phone. On the right side, we have the power and volume rocker, nothing on the left side. At the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port, SIM tray and speaker grill. There is no headphone jack anymore. At the front, we have the selfie camera, and there is also a fingerprint reader on the screen itself. More on those in a bit. Let's look at the 6.3-inch screen while we are at it. So, this is a Full HD Plus screen, meaning it is 1080p, but tad a bit wider with a 2400 pixel width. Technical stuff, don't worry too much about it. All it means is that the screen is a little bit wider in aspect ratio compared to a regular TV screen. There is a black border around the screen, which I'm not too fussed about, as it does not distract from daily use. The edge is not curved at the corners. Again, something that saves on cost, while to me, that is not a compromise of function. When it comes to function though, this is Samsung's time-tested Super AMOLED display. The colors are vibrant and punchy. And when it comes to brightness, this will take any flagship phone to task. Plus, if you want, you can set the screen to 120Hz refresh rate, which is super awesome, given that we are looking at a phone that is trying to save on cost. The screen, while from a distance to the uninitiated may look humble in its appearance, spec-wise, this is as good or exceeds in some cases many top-tier phones. When it comes to displays, Samsung has this one in the bag. And in my daily usage, I have felt no compromises as far as the screen goes. Behind the screen, there is an octa-core Exynos CPU paired with Mali GPU, which works together to give us a very respectable performance. Most games will have no issues, and I have all manner of apps for my day-to-day productivity work. There was never any shortage of performance, be it multitasking or any other combination. To max out the A53's processor, you will need to be doing something seriously intensive, like video editing or 3D rendering or something crazy like that. Now the camera system. The main camera has a whopping big 64 megapixel sensor, which means bugger all. I assure you, more megapixels does not automatically mean better picture quality. Had to get that out of my system. That being said, the main camera is not all that bad. But under low light conditions, even during day, the camera is at times absolute hit, and in some shots a miss. Miss as in motion blur, and other times it misses to lock on focus properly. Then again, if we stop and give the camera some time to lock in properly, the results are not bad. Zoom lens does reasonably to some extent. If we do full 10x zoom, the image is near unusable, but it is there if someone needs it for some reason, quality not being a primary concern then in that case. The wide-angle lens works nicely in real-life use. Its usefulness is well established. There is a macro lens as well that helps make some detailed image of objects close up. The selfie cam also has a standard and a wide angle mode, but from the same lens. And all I'll say is that it gets the job done. No medals here either. The videos are decent as well. It can do up to 4K, but my previous comment stands that higher resolution does not mean better quality automatically. If it was that easy to get decent 4K video, why would people spend thousands on dedicated film gear? So overall, my perception of the camera is that it will not take on the flagship phones and win. The main camera takes good shots when conditions are good, but misses from time to time. Regardless, I'd say that it's adequate for purpose of a phone camera. It will not beat the absolute flagship cutting-edge tech gadgets, but you can grab your happy moments using this phone well enough. The speaker on this phone is loud enough for purpose of speakerphone or gaming perhaps. For music listening, you are better off with, a external Bluetooth speaker of some description, although it will not refuse to play your favorite song if you ask it to do so. Let me speed through some of the other features that are of note. 5000 mAh battery for me has been a 2-day battery easily in real world, if not more. Given that this phone for me was for work purposes, second to my daily driver, I took calls most of the time and occasionally used the phone to reply an email quickly or an odd message. So with that kind of light usage, it went for many days for me sometimes. IP67 water and dust resistant. Check. On-screen fingerprint reader. It works, and it works well enough. Samsung's bloatware? Oh, you bet. Bixby button? Nope, and good riddance. Expandable memory? Up to 1 terabyte. Hell yeah. 5G capable? Yep. NFC? Yep. You can tap and pay and as such. Wireless charging? No. So what are my thoughts then about the A53? Well, it really comes down to the price or the plan you can get this on. For example, one of the Australian providers are offering this on a 36 months plan for $19.40 per month repayment. Its competition at this price point are the likes of Oppo Find X5 Lite or iPhone SE or Google Pixel 6a. I would venture to say that the A53 holds its grounds rather well in this lineup. Best screen of them all, hands down. If you are planning to buy outright, the retail price offers similar lineup as well. So with all that being said, for the money I think this is a very respectable product. No, it will not beat the phone on offer for twice its money. What I'm saying is that despite the competition, for the money this phone is giving itself the best chance to win. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I welcome your comments about what you like or dislike or what sort of videos you might want to see in the future. Also, while you are here, please do subscribe to this channel and also check out my other channel, Property Technical, in case if you are wondering how to make some money using properties. I'll see you next time. Until then, you take care of yourself.